Hi everyone, I'm Rosie and welcome to Vox Yoga. Today we have the final practice of the Chakra series, a nice practice for the crown chakra. So we'll start standing, then I'll tell you a little bit more about what we'll be doing today. So ground through your feet, feeling all four corners of the feet. Tailbone drawing down, lengthen through the spine, the neck, lifted through the crown of the head. Let the arms hang by the sides, fingertips pointing towards the floor. And shut the eyes or find a soft gaze. Focus on your breath. Use it to take your practice inward. The crown chakra sits just above the crown of our head. This encompasses all of the other chakras and is really about unity, our spiritual connection, and also our consciousness. In the previous 6 chakra practices, we've carried a voiced mantra through our practice. However, the sound for the crown chakra is silence. We hear our Om that encompasses the whole universe, but we don't voice it. So through our practice, we're going to meditate on the sound of Om, but we won't actually be sounding. To open our practice together, bring one hand to the heart. Inhale. And exhale, hearing the sound of Om inside you. Release the hand and feel free to keep the eyes closed or just finding a soft gaze for the start of this practice. Still feeling strong in your mountain pose. On our inhale, we'll reach the arms out to the sides, palms up. Palms come together at the top. Exhale, arms come back down, sweeping out to the side of the body. Follow your breath. Inhale, sweeping the arms out and up, collecting all the energy. Exhale, arms come back down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, release, follow your breath. And after your final one, just come back to mountain pose. Feel the energy moving through you. Then we'll ground through the left foot and lift the right foot. Bit of balance. So your knee is bent at a right angle. Again, just find that soft focus. And then we'll come to tree pose. Sole of the right foot to the inside of the left ankle, shin, or thigh. Hands can come to the hips for stability or out to the sides. They can come to prayer at the heart, or extend the arms above into a V shape, keeping the shoulders down away from the ears. Breathe, and on each exhale, hear your Om resonate. The arms are extended, bring them back to prayer. Release the knee, bringing it out to 90 degrees in front of you once more. And then gently release it back down to the mat. Other side. Grounding into the right foot, find your soft focus. First of all, lifting that left leg off the mat, 90 degrees. Coming to tree pose, sole of the left foot to the inside of the right ankle, shin or thigh. You might feel quite different on this side. So options with the arms. The arms are extended, bring them back to prayer. Release the left leg, bringing that knee to 90 degrees in front of you. And release the left leg back down to the mat. Gently rolling down the spine to come to a standing forward fold. Have a little bit of movement here. Then come down to hands and knees, tabletop. So now we're coming to rabbit pose, which involves bringing the crown of the head down to the mat. So you need to gradually get into this, and we don't want to put loads of pressure on the head. So you've got the option to bring your palms one on top of the other, stacked, and bring the crown of the head onto here. If you've got a little bit more flexibility, we can really round the back, bring the crown of the head closer towards the knees, so you're lifting the hips up to the sky. Hands can stay almost framing the head for support, or you can bring the hands behind you, palms facing down. Wherever you are, breathe into the posture, feeling the connection between the crown of the head and the ground. If your arms are extended behind you, bring them back to the side of the head, and then just pressing yourself back to sit on the heels, and just sit up on the heels for a moment. Feel that energy radiating out of the crown of the head. And we'll close our practice with a seated meditation. So you're welcome to stay where you are, kneeling, or you can come to sit cross-legged or in lotus or half lotus. Or it's your practice, you are welcome to take Shavasana instead. Set yourself up where you feel the most comfortable. Let the hands just naturally rest. Keeping the spine and the neck long. On each exhale, just hear the sound of Om resonating throughout the body. Start to bring awareness back into the room. What sounds can you hear around you? What can you feel? Start to wiggle the fingers. And then bring the hands to prayer at the heart. Inhale. Exhale, sigh it out. One more time. And when you're ready, breathe the eyes open and come back into the space. Thank you so much for joining me for this crown chakra practice. If you've joined me for all of the 7 chakra practices, thank you so much. And if you haven't caught the other ones yet, then please do check them out. If you've enjoyed this, don't forget to hit subscribe for plenty more videos and practices just for you. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you again soon.